Hey guys, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel today. I appreciate you just being here, watching me, learning as I continue on this journey. Join me in watching this Botanical Dutch Pour. I'm gonna get right into it. I'll talk through my color palette after I cover my canvas with a different color palette for today. So thanks again for joining me here, and we'll get right into it. We're going to be using my normal PPG house interior paint. Alright guys, I am going to be doing a different design today. Let's see what this one comes out to look like. But I think, with my design in mind, I think she's going to be really pretty. Still sticking with the botanical look, but I am going to do a slightly different design. So let's hope for the best. We'll start off like that. All right, kind of a crazy design, but it's just something that I like to play with. It's all about being creative, guys, right? I don't like to be pinned down to doing one specific design all the time. I like to do different. And then you get different results. Looks very much like a tree branch. Now with just these two colors, it's really looking like it could be for Halloween. Scary tree, the copper and the black together, you know, just speaks Halloweenish. But with the other colors, it won't end up looking like that. But it's kind of cool as we're building it. As you can see, it could have some Halloween, holiday-ish influence. Now with this is the yellow ochre. I haven't used this color in a long time. I think I'll introduce a nice, it'll add some brightness to this one. I'll use my heat gun again to pop those few bubbles that I see surfacing, but we'll just let them ride for now. And if you want it heavier in certain areas, you just add a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with this chameleon blue. There's like a lot of paint on here. Okay. And the key is when you have this kind of design, the key really is to blow it out a certain way as well. So if you keep mindful of how you want to blow it out, then it kind of works in your favor. So all right, now with the gold, kind of zigzagging the gold. Whoa. It just all of a sudden came out in a clump, or in a whole lot more than what I had anticipated. Let's see. We could probably work with that though. It's all right. I'll just let it ride. Maybe it'll work in my favor. All right, so that's the end of the colors. I'm going to take one more swipe with my heat gun, get some of those bubbles that I saw surfacing. I think I might have to just manually pop a few of them. I don't like to use the heat gun too closely or too long in one specific area for the stubborn bubbles, because it does leave this weird film-like appearance on your paint. It's almost like the paint gets separated. So, all right, I think as I scan over this, I think we're about ready to blow this out and see if we can make it look really pretty. So hang tight, guys. We're going to have some more fun. Some of it will go over the edge, which is just fine. So far, it's looking really pretty. The colors look gorgeous together. These colors look so pretty together. I think we're going to get right into starting to put that botanical spin on this. I am going to put a little focal point about right here where we can bring it all together. I will be using my little straw a little bit here and there, like one area right here I'd like to use. Get started. Yeah, that's better. I always have to work on the center a little bit more, but this is always a good start for me. Definitely the center is a little challenging today. Straw. I really need to buy some new rags. I've run out of some rags. I really need to buy some. Something that I always forget about. I think this piece is going to go really nicely with another piece that I've done previously. They will pair up very nicely together, I can see. Oops. Yeah, I kind of want that to blow over. Yeah, that's so much nicer. This is definitely going to be gorgeous. leaf. Okay, I think I'm going to finish this up by dragging my paintbrush through and designing and creating what this should look like. I'll put you on fast forward through this piece of it, guys, and then we'll come back and do a final overview of how it looks. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished this one with the botanical spin on it, and I think she's definitely got some wow factor to her. She's got a beautiful design. I think the center, I cleaned it up. You saw me do that. Looks a lot better. She'll dry really pretty. I like that some of it's flowing over the edges where it should be. It's got great composition. Look at her design. I'm very pleased with her. The colors are amazing together. Oh, I just love those warm, rich colors. This one's going to be a beauty in the light, that's for sure. I hope you liked it. Sorry about the lighting. My stand broke the other day and I'm trying to work with what I've got, so I apologize for the lighting coming through my window, but I still wanted to continue to make a video for you, so I do apologize in advance. Want to thank you all for joining me today, and until the next video, I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye for now.